The City of South Perth is working hard to ensure that our neighbourhood is one of the best places in the world to live, work and play. This means making responsible financial decisions and ensuring that we get the best possible outcomes out of every dollar of ratepayer funds, while still being mindful of the financial pressures that many households are facing. We've worked hard to identify savings and efficiencies across the board. This budget delivers sound, responsible and sustainable financial management by delivering the first increase in the City's financial reserves since the 2014-2015 financial year. This will improve the City's ability to maintain and replace assets critical to the service and amenity of the community. These assets include our two wonderful public libraries, our beautiful foreshores, parks, playgrounds and reserves, Collier Park Golf Course, the amazing Minderup Piazza and much more. But we're doing a lot more than simply maintaining the status quo. This year's budget sees responsible and targeted investment in key projects that will benefit our community for generations to come. This year, we will complete important conservation work at the South Perth foreshore and deliver a new black swan habitat. This project will repair damaged river walls as well as create a safe sanctuary for water birds to nest. We're also investing in growing parts of our neighbourhood, like this very special part of Waterford known as Waterford Triangle. Here, we're building a new laneway to improve access and connectedness and doing an upgrade of Garvey Street Park, creating a beautiful shared public space for current and future residents to enjoy. We've also heard your comments about much-loved community assets like Neil McDougall Park in Como. This wonderful park is one of the most popular spots for families to spend time on weekends. This year, the City will undertake essential environmental work to improve water quality at Neil McDougall Park and ensure that it remains a place our community can enjoy into the future. We've also budgeted for improvements to community facilities like Como and Manning bowling clubs, our wonderful libraries, Senior Citizen Centre and Manning Hub. This budget also includes essential works like footpath and cycle upgrades, road safety works and projects to improve lighting and community safety in public places. I'm pleased to report that many of these projects are either partly or fully funded by external grants secured by the City. This enhances what we can deliver on behalf of the community while reducing the cost to ratepayers. There's a lot to look forward to in the City of South Perth over the coming 12 months, and you can find out more about what's in our budget by visiting our website.